The idea stemmed from the necessity of completely removing a pipe at the end of its service life. This will avoid abandoning underground pipes that could not have been removed with the open trench method.
We were essentially inspired by the physical phenomenon of the longitudinal friction decrease in the presence of torque. It's somewhat like when one twists the cork of a champagne bottle in order to loosen it up. Enrico has almost 40 years' experience in the design of large-scale buried pipeline system using pipes of large diameter and length. Consequently, the constant search for innovative systems, in this case never before used, is part of its DNA.
Like all trenchless technology, the impact on the surrounding terrain is relevant only during the actual intervention. This will nullify all responsibilities towards its maintenance and eventual reinstatement.
The greatest advantage of this method is that in the presence of gas or other inflammable products within the pipeline, it does not produce sparks that could trigger an explosion. In addition, it would maintain a constant clean cut due to the fact that the water jet does not lose its cutting finish. On the contrary, a mechanical utensil would, eventually, need to be replaced, which is something impossible to do from the inside of a pipeline. Once we had carried out all the mathematical simulations of the theoretical idea in the office, we then moved to the workshop to test the validity of the idea with a series of longitudinal, radial and helical cuts. Given the positive outcome of these cuts, the next step was to execute a helical cut on a buried pipeline to confirm the effectiveness of the idea. The cutting liquid penetrates the interstices between pipe and terrain. It produces a positive phenomenon of lubrication that, in turn, facilitates the extraction of the pipe. Furthermore, given the effect of the helical cut, when both traction and torsion are carried out on the helically cut pipe, this will reduce the diameter, thus obtaining an even better extraction method.
We believe that the true potential of this system lies in its ease of use. Its winning attribute is the helical cut. The pitch of the spiral must be calibrated each time, as well as determining the necessary torque and pulling force. Without doubt, the helical cut represents the best and most straightforward solution when applying this system.
La soluzione migliore e più semplice per l'applicazione di questo sistema.